Raisin water can help cleanse and detox the liver. Cleanse your liver in a few days with only 2 ingredients. Did you know that raisin water is beneficial to your health? It's a fantastic thing to include in your diet, especially if you want to improve the health of your liver. What makes raisin water so beneficial to your health? It aids specific metabolic processes in the liver that aid in the removal of toxins from circulation. If you stick to this treatment for 4 days, your digestion will improve and you will have more energy. Do you know what the benefits of raisin water are? It is recommended that you consume raisins first thing in the morning to protect your heart, reduce your triglyceride levels, and prevent constipation or stomach discomfort. Raisins are high in vitamins and minerals, and drinking the water they've been soaked in can assist you even more. This is because they contain less sugar in this form, yet you still receive beneficial medical treatment for your liver. A natural source of antioxidants. Raisins are a fantastic source of antioxidants. This is because they're dried grapes, which are bioflavonoids-rich foods that help protect the body from free radicals and illness. Raisins and raisin water have been used to treat a variety of heart and liver disorders for many years. Helps detox the body. The liver and kidneys are vital organs to have. They assist in the cleansing of your blood by removing toxins and heavy metals that can build up and make you unwell. Unhealthy diet choices, consuming too many fatty foods, and bad daily routines can all slow down the liver and kidneys. At least once a month, drinking raisin water for 4 days straight can help your liver function better, especially when it comes to detox. When you feel heavy, or if your digestion is delayed or unpleasant, you'll know it's working. Aids indigestion. Drinking raisin water can assist to maintain the bloodstream clean and the liver in good operating order. It also aids in the digestion of food. How? By separating the stomach acids, you can better break down your meal and absorb the nutrients. Around 2 days after you start drinking the raisin water, you'll notice a difference. How do you make raisin water? Ingredients: 2 cups of water, 400 milliliters. 150 grams of raisins preparation. Make sure you pick your raisins wisely. Look for darker colored raisins that aren't overly firm or soft. Make sure the raisins are intact and free of debris. Wash the raisins and then put them aside. Bring the water to a rolling boil. Allow the raisins to bubble for 20 minutes after adding them. After that, soak them overnight. Strain the water from the raisins in the morning and boil the water. You may drink it warm or hot, but make sure you drink it first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. After that, you should wait 30 to 35 minutes before having breakfast. Remember to do this for at least 4 days. You'll have greater liver health if you eat a low-fat, high-fiber diet with plenty of fresh fruits and vegetables. Raisin water would be a fantastic addition to that diet. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.